In this video, Adapa Technical Center will introduce how double-curved precast cassettes are made, step by step. Two uniquely double-curved precast concrete panels are manufactured each 24 hours on just one Adapa mould. Please notice that the adaptive mould is protected by simple plastic curtains hanging down from under the top membrane, protecting the lower machine parts from water and dust. Precast cassette sides are brought to the adaptive mould and the assembly is started. The precast concrete is reinforced using traditional rebars, in this case bent into curvature based on the unique 3D panel design, and mounting brackets are positioned and welded on. The pre-prepared cassettes are now ready to be placed on the adaptive mould. The adaptive mould is brought into the desired shape, and corner points for placement of the cassette are marked with tape on the top layer membrane, guided by the laser connected to the adaptive mould. A thin layer of concrete release agent is applied to the top layer membrane to enable easy lifting of the finished precast cassette. The cassettes are placed on the adaptive mould and prepared for concrete pouring. Silicon sides are placed to further densify the connection between the cassette and the adaptive mould. Magnetic shuttering is applied to fasten the silicon sides. Additional protection is placed in lower positions to ensure that concrete stays inside the cassette. On large adaptive moulds, it is possible to place several cassettes for simultaneous casting, thus increasing the utilization of the mould surface. The concrete is delivered from a nearby ready-mix plant. The concrete is poured into the cassettes, while the casting staff secure an even spread and vibration to avoid air pockets and voids in the concrete surface facing down. As the final concrete is poured, the screeding process is done to finish off the backside surface of the precast panel. Final finish is done and extra protection covers are removed as initial setting time is over. After approximately 10 hours, the concrete is sufficiently hardened and the precast panel is lifted off the adaptive mould and transported to the construction site. Just after the panel is moved, the top layer membrane is cleaned with water and cleaning brushes, while the lower parts of the adaptive mould are protected by the plastic curtain.